Ratan here, welcome to my channel The Daru TV. Hope you guys are doing great, and if you guys are new to my channel, do consider subscribing me. Also guys, do follow me on Instagram. So today we have the largest selling vodka in the world, that is the Smirnoff. So many of you guys had DM'd me saying that you wanted me to review Smirnoff, and also you wanted me to let you guys know which is the best way to drink Smirnoff. Like, is it you can drink it straight up, or which is the best mixer for vodka. So before reviewing it, Smirnoff actually it was started in like 1860s. Yes, it's a very old brand, and it was started and introduced in Russia, and right now it is currently owned by Diageo. It is also produced by them. So enough of this history. I know you guys will get bored. So let's get started with the review. So here I'm using a shot glass. Done. So as usual, you guys know color, the nose in, and the taste. So first with the color. So as you guys can know, this has a nice clear color like water, very transparent like water. We'll do the nose in. Wow, nice. The thing I like about Smirnoff is that you have this nice clean smell. You don't get that alcohol burn when you smell it in your nose. Other vodkas like Romano or Magic Moments, this has this nice clean smell, like you don't find that alcohol burn. Nice. We'll do the tasting. Cheers. Yes, this has that slight burn. I can't tell that it has that strong burn that other Indian vodkas have, but this does have this lightish burn. Other than that, I get a nice hint of citrusy, I think, like a bit, and also a bit sweetness from this. Yeah, and the aftertaste, it is good. Like once you get it through your throat, you have that burn, and the aftertaste you get that nice sweetness and also the nice citrus hit, but it is not like overpowering or anything. You just get a nice hit of citrus and also the sweetness. I kind of like this. And also you guys had asked me like which is the best mixer which goes well with Smirnoff. So the basic thing is Smirnoff goes well with any other soft drinks or juice. Like for me, I recommend going with cranberry because you get that tanginess, and when you mix this vodka with it, you don't get any vodka taste. You don't get that alcohol hit from it. So the main reason I don't recommend you guys to drink it with cranberry is that you will lose the count of your drinks, because it is so easy, it goes so easily down that you will get sloshed because you won't be getting to know how many drinks you have had. And also guys, many of you guys asked like, can you guys drink it straight up? So I don't recommend you guys to have straight, like sipping it like single malts or scotch, but the one way you can is to have shots, but not the regular way. The thing is, I think I have actually made a video on this though. So the thing is, just put your vodka in the fridge for around 7 to 8 hours. So when it is chilled enough, you get this nice creamy thick texture, and also when you just have a shot, you don't get that what do you say, the alcohol burn. You will really like it. So straight up I don't recommend. Shots yes, but only once it is freezed. And also the best mixer for me with the Smirnoff as usual is cranberry juice. So guys, coming to the rating. So I know like you have other better vodkas in the market like the Grey Goose, but it is a bit expensive. Not a bit, it is really expensive, around 4 to 5k a bottle. And coming to other Indian brands, I think it is one of the better vodkas that you can find in Indian market. It is really better than this Romanov or Magic Moments or any White Mischief, any other vodkas that are in Indian market. So I would really recommend this, and the rating I would give this around 8 out of 10, a good rating for this. And also coming to the price, I think this costs around 5,500 to 1,600. I'll just mention the price below here. So I think it is a good price for a quality vodka. Yes, I kind of like this. And guys, also do DM me in my Insta regarding which other alcohol brands you want me to review. And also, as I told you, the lockdown is open, many pubs have opened, and also the breweries. Do recommend me a brewery or a pub so I can go over there and review that pub or the brewery. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, hit that like button, share my video, and also do subscribe to my channel. And till next time, as you know, remember, drink responsibly and cheers.